Hello guys! Today I will be helping you in how to remove an admin from Facebook page. First, go to your Facebook application. And if your account is not yet logged in, kindly log it in. Now here, click the three horizontal lines icon with your profile picture on the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find Pages, then tap it. Here, choose the page where you want to remove an admin. In the Facebook New Update, you have to switch your page to serve as your account in order to fully access the settings. So let's go and tap Switch. This time, tap See Dashboard. Scroll down and find Page Access, then open it. Here, you will see the accounts that have access on the page, which we call admins. To remove an admin, you must be an admin yourself. To do that, just click these three dots and tap Remove from the page. It will require you to put a password for security, and it will remind you about what will happen if you remove this admin. To proceed, tap Confirm. And there you go. You now successfully removed an admin from the page. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.